It's me, Samriddhi again, and I'm here for my summative task, or should I say season 4 in grade 4? Yes. So the summative task falls under the theme How the World Works, and the concept is mixing matter, and the central idea is a combination of matter and its properties in chemistry create new inventions that help us to do tasks. So today I'm going to show you guys a couple of experiments based on the 3 lines of inquiry. Now we finally come to the first experiment based on the first line of inquiry, which is structure, components and properties of matter. Yeah, I'm excited! So I have 2 glasses and some raisins, see? And I have some soda, which is carbonated water, and drinking water. Now I'm going to add the raisins in both the glasses. Now I'm going to add some water into the first glass and let's see what happens. And nothing happens. Bruh. So as you all can see, the water is filling the cup and the raisins are at the bottom. It's very calm, nice calm environment, like a classroom. Just kidding. Now let's keep this glass safely away and take glass number 2. Now I'm going to add some carbonated water, aka soda. Carefully. Oh, wait a minute. What do I see here? Oh, look, they're jumping. They're jumping, dancing and everything. Maybe I should call this experiment Dancing Raisins. And fun fact, I was dancing like this when I first went to the beach in Goa. Now let me share my observations. So according to my observations here, water is just water. And if we put raisins in water, they just calm, they're quiet, nothing really happens, boring. Now in soda, we see it has a lot of carbon dioxide in it. So you can see these little bubble packets here, they are the ones lifting the raisins up and down. Now fun time for my next experiment. This is just to understand the different density between different types of liquid. So let's start with honey. I wonder how this is going to turn out. Now let's add some maple syrup. By the way, this is original maple syrup. My daddy got this from Canada a few months ago. And guys, look at it closely. You can see the differentiation with the honey and maple syrup. Now time for the next one. This is dish soap. Can you guys notice the difference in color with these 3? Now let me add in some water. Now I can see that the water is actually settling down a little. Before we couldn't see the color difference, but now we are able to slowly see it, kinda. Last but not least, let me add some oil. So as you can see in the bottom part, this is honey and this dark part here is the maple syrup, and this goldish yellow thing is the dish soap, and this clear part over here is the water, and at top this is definitely not slime, guys. This is castor oil. Guys, for the fun of it, let's see if any of these things sink. First we have a lid and a screw and a walnut. We'll also try to put in some raisins. First, let's do the lid. Oh, it's not sinking, guys. It's floating. Next, let's try with the walnut. Oh, it's also floating. Now, let's see with the screw. Oh, it sank all the way to the bottom. Now, let's take a raisin and see what happens. And it's sinking. It's sinking. Okay. So apparently this raisin wants to be in the oil part. the maple part. So I was wrong. Yep, definitely the maple part. Now let's get into the experiment that I've been really excited about. And as you guys can see here, I have some sugar and a lemon, which I got help from my mom in cutting in half. And I'm going to take some of this lemon and squeeze it into the sugar. Let's squeeze it. Nice and tight. This smells really good. Now, what am I supposed to do with it? Oh, right. Mix it. Mix. So as you guys can see, I've mixed the sugar with the lemon juice, and my aim for this was basically for it to get fully dissolved into the lemon juice. Now basically most of the sugar has already melted, but still some sugar is left, and I want all of it to change into a different state. Basically the lemon juice is the liquid and the sugar is the solid. I really want to make this go to a different state. So we should try something different. How about heating it up? Look at it, guys. Can you believe that this is the same lemon and sugar we mixed earlier? Well, it actually is. It's not the original maple syrup for fun actually, basically. So as you can see here, after heating it up for about 6 minutes or so, it has become thick, in a thick consistency. This is called homemade wax, people. So you can apply this wax on your skin and put a cloth over it. See, I have a cloth, and pull it off really fast, and it can remove all the unwanted hair in your skin. Now, yes, I wanted to try this earlier, but my mom said that I'm too young. I'm not 18 yet. I'm underage. But trust me, guys, I tried this on her and it works really well. Trust me. This homemade wax here addresses the second line of inquiry, which is chemical and physical change and applications of mixtures and solutions in the real world.